Imagine waking up every morning and making money online using AI tools that do most of the work for you. Sounds fake, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that creators, freelancers, and online businesses are using right now to earn real money online. And the best part? Most of these tools are beginner-friendly. AI is changing the internet faster than anything we've seen before. People who learn these tools early are building YouTube channels, freelancing businesses, digital products, and even passive income systems without huge teams or expensive equipment. But here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. AI tools alone won't make you rich. What actually makes money is combining AI with skills, consistency, and smart execution. So in this video, I'll show you the 5 AI tools, how people are making money with them, and how you can realistically start earning your first $100 a day. Let's start with the king of AI tools, ChatGPT. This tool is basically like having a copywriter, a business assistant, a content strategist, and sometimes even a coder, all in one place. People are making money with ChatGPT in so many ways: freelancing, script writing, social media content, blog, writing, email, marketing, thumbnail ideas, ad copy, even client outreach messages. For example, a beginner can use ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts for clients on freelancing platforms, or generate Instagram captions for local businesses, or even create TikTok content ideas daily. And the craziest part? What used to take hours now takes minutes. Let's say you want to start a faceless YouTube channel. You can ask ChatGPT, give me 10 viral video ideas in the finance niche. Then, write a 7-minute engaging script. Then, create title ideas and thumbnail text. Boom! You already saved hours of work. Next is Canva.
Most people think Canva is just for simple designs.
But creators are literally building businesses using this tool. With Canva you can create YouTube thumbnails, TikTok posts, Instagram carousels, digital products, ebooks, online course materials, printable templates, and even animated videos. One of the easiest ways beginners make money with Canva is by selling templates. For example, resume templates, business planners, social media packs, study notes, AI prompt packs. You create it once and sell it repeatedly. Here's a smart strategy. Use ChatGPT to generate content, then use Canva to turn it into a professional product. That combination alone can become a full online business. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful AI voice tools right now, 11 Labs. This tool creates insanely realistic AI voiceovers, and honestly, this changed faceless content forever. People are using it for YouTube automation, TikTok videos, audiobooks, podcasts, ads, story channels, educational videos, and because the voices sound natural, viewers actually stay engaged. Here's the workflow most creators use. ChatGPT writes the script, 11 Labs creates the voiceover, CapCut edits the video, Canva designs the thumbnail, and suddenly, one person can run an entire content business. CapCut might be one of the most underrated AI tools right now. This app makes editing insanely fast. Features like auto captions, AI cuts, templates, effects, background removal, music syncing make content creation much easier. And here's why this matters. Speed wins on social media. The creators posting consistently usually grow faster than the creators trying to make every video perfect. Right now, short-form content is dominating. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. One viral short video can completely change your page overnight, and CapCut makes mass content creation possible. The final tool is Claude AI. A lot of people compare it to ChatGPT, but Claude is incredibly strong for long-form writing, research, brainstorming, detailed explanations, business planning. Many creators now use Claude specifically for deeper content and script writing. Here's something most beginners don't realize. The people making money online are not always smarter. They simply use better systems. AI tools increase speed, productivity, output, consistency. And consistency is what creates results online. Now, let me show you the full money-making system. Step 1. Use ChatGPT or Claude to research and write content. Step 2. Use 11 Labs for voiceovers. Step 3. Use Canva for thumbnails and graphics. Step 4. Edit everything inside CapCut. Step 5. Post consistently on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook.
That's literally the same workflow many faceless creators are using right now. But let's be honest for a second,
AI is not magic. Most people quit because they expect instant success. The first videos might flop, the first posts might fail, the first month might feel slow. That's normal. Content creation is a skill game, and every video teaches you something.
If I were starting from zero today,
I would focus on one niche, one platform, one content style.
and I'd post consistently for at least 90 days, because once you build momentum online, everything changes. So those were the 5 AI tools that can realistically help you earn online in 2026. Not overnight, not magically, but if you actually use these tools consistently, learn content creation, and improve your skills, you can absolutely build an online income stream. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you want me to test next.